The bay does not wake up gently in June, it hits. Bait sprays across the surface, birds fold out of the sky. Rods load hard against moving water. And in that first gray light, the Chesapeake tells you where the fish are. This is the June 2026 Chesapeake Bay Fishing Report with a Maryland versus Virginia breakdown. The biggest change from May is simple. The fish are not just passing through anymore, they are setting up. Summer patterns are taking hold. Feeding zones are more predictable. Structure matters, current matters, bait movement matters, luck matters less. In Maryland waters, the story is darker water, stronger current, and fish tight to structure. Focus on upper bay structure, bridge pilings, channel edges, hard bottom, docks, rip lines, and current seams. Striped bass are working moving water and bait concentrations, especially early and late. When the tide pushes clean, watch ambush points where current breaks against pilings, points, and edges. For Maryland striped bass, June can be active, but check current Maryland rules before targeting or keeping fish. Regulations can shift and slot limits matter. Handle fish fast, keep them wet, and do not turn a good bite into wasted fish. White perch are one of Maryland's most reliable targets now. Docks, piers, shoreline cover, oyster bottom, creek mouths, and shaded structure can all hold fish. Small spinners, bottom rigs, grass shrimp, bloodworm-style baits, and light tackle keep action steady. Blue catfish are aggressive in tidal rivers, channel edges, holes, and transition zones. For a heavy bend in the rod, follow scent, depth changes, and moving water. Slide south into Virginia waters, and the bay changes personality. The lower bay is warmer, brighter, shallower, and more summer-like. Marsh edges, grass flats, shoreline points, bridge tunnel structure, and shallow feeding lanes become the focus. Red drum activity is building in southern Virginia waters, especially around broad flats, shoals, and moving bait. Watch for slicks, nervous water, and baitfish pushing tight to the surface. Speckled trout are becoming a major story in the lower bay. But make sure you check Virginia regulations before targeting them this month. Spanish mackerel and bluefish may begin sliding into lower bay patterns as water temperatures and bait line up. When they show, look for speed, birds breaking bait, and fast surface strikes. Across both states, timing is the edge. Fish early, fish moving water. Match the bait. Watch wind, storms, boat traffic, and heat stress. Before every trip, check Maryland and Virginia regulations. June rewards anglers who read conditions, not rumors. Find the warm water and keep your line tight. Subscribe to River Realm Life for the next Chesapeake Bay Fishing Report.